Well, hi again, YouTube. Wood Butcher here, and we are back in the kitchen again. And as you know, tonight we're doing chicken pot pie, another quick and very easy recipe. So we're going to start with a full cooked chicken breast. So that's the breast off one bird, whether you count that as one or two. But a full cut up chicken breast. Then we're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. And we're going to add a sprinkle of poultry seasoning, and in the video I do add more seasoning later on. Add a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to add probably a cup of milk. And if you watch the full video, you're going to see as we go through the process, we add a little more milk here and there, as well as some poultry seasoning. So we're just kind of adjusting the consistency and the flavor as we go. And we're also going to add 2 stalks of cut up celery and probably half of a medium onion chopped up. And just go ahead and cut them up and put them in the pot. Then we're going to add about a half a cup of frozen corn and the same half cup of frozen peas. And you can pre-thaw them if you want, it doesn't matter. You could also add a little bit of carrot if you wanted to, maybe a eighth of a cup or so of chopped up carrot. Then we can just let all our pot of ingredients preheat over probably medium, and we're just like I said, preheating it before we put it in the pie shell to stick it in the oven. While the pie filling is warming up, I hope you'll take a minute to like and subscribe. And check out our channel for other recipes and just some other things going on. Now the pie crust does make a huge difference, and I kind of give you an idea of what I've done, but you can do all kinds of things. If you only like one pie shell, then you can put it in like a corning dish and put a pie shell or a pie crust over top. I do a whole deep dish pie shell and put a lid on it. How you put it in the oven, how you cook it is entirely up to you. The pie filling is basically cooked at this point, so however you do it, all you need to do from this point is to cook your pie shell, and then you're done, you're ready to go. Personally, I like the Pillsbury pie crust. 2 crusts are pretty rich, and a lot of people aren't going to like that. You may just want the single crust on top. But when I did the full deep dish crust, the filling filled it up just about right, and I put the lid on and got it in the oven, and it took about a half hour at 350. And just keep an eye on it. Like I said, your filling is already cooked. All you're doing is basically heating the filling and cooking the crust. So as soon as that crust is cooked, you're done and ready to go. And I really hope you enjoy this recipe. I think it's really good, and it's just so easy. It doesn't take any time at all. Well, YouTube, thank you so much for checking out the video, and I sure hope you enjoy this chicken pot pie.